Hello, students. Welcome to my class Physics in Your Life. Today, we are going to study few concepts of magnetism. This chapter belongs to class 10th, and this video is prepared by Tushar Bhardwaj. So, let's get started. Objectives. Students will be able to define magnet, write the properties of a magnet, define magnetic field, write the characteristics of magnetic field lines after the completion of this video or lesson. Is it clear, students? Okay. Now, as we know that current has two effects, heating effect of electric current and the other one is magnetic effect of electric current. These two effects are also known as chemical effects of electric current. So in this chapter we are going to study magnetic effects of electric current, or for this we have to start with magnet. Now what is a magnet? It is a substance which attracts small pieces of iron and points in north-south direction of earth when suspended freely. Mind my words, of earth. Okay. A naturally occurring iron ore, which is called lodestone or magnetite, also behaves as a magnet, but it is a very weak magnet. Okay. So the ones which we see are made from electricity. So those types of magnets are called electromagnets. Okay. So this is the small introduction of a magnet. Now moving ahead towards its properties. What are the properties of a magnet? This is a very simple topic. It has two poles, north and south. Like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. They always exist in pair of poles. We cannot detach a magnetic pole from each other. Okay, is it clear, students? Okay, now magnetic field. It is defined as the area around the magnet under which it influences its force of attraction or repulsion. It means it is the region around a magnet where the force of attraction or repulsion can be detected. Okay, students? And magnetic field around a magnet can be detected by using a magnetic compass. This is our compass. Okay, so the deflection of this needle represents the presence of magnetic field. Is it clear, students? Okay. Now it is denoted by B and its SI unit is Tesla. Nikola Tesla discovered this magnetic field. He worked in the field of electricity and magnetism. So SI unit of magnetic field is Tesla. Okay, and it is a vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. Okay, students. Now, magnetic field lines, the most important topic. What are magnetic field lines? Magnetic field lines are the paths around a magnet along which the north pole of a magnetic compass needle tends to move. Is it clear, students? Magnetic field lines around a magnet can be observed by sprinkling iron fillings around a magnet like this. In this figure, these are iron fillings around the magnet and the path. These paths are called magnetic field lines, and the ray diagram of this original picture is like this. Okay, these are the magnetic field lines. Is it clear, students? Okay, now let us study in detail about magnetic field lines. Properties of magnetic field lines. Field lines are continuous loops. Okay, they are the continuous loops. Loop means a never-ending process. Okay. So they are the continuous loops. Field lines originates from North Pole. The arrow represents the emergence. Okay, the arrow represents that the field line originates from North Pole and towards the South Pole. Is it clear, students? The field strength is proportional to the field line density. What is the meaning of this statement? Field strength is proportional to the field line density. The magnetic field lines are, when the magnetic field lines are close to each other, then the magnetic field strength is high. So the magnetic field is strong where the magnetic field lines are close to each other. Okay, students, like this. Here at the poles, North Pole and South Pole, magnetic field lines are close to each other. Okay, so the strength of magnetic field is highest at the poles. Is it clear? And where the magnetic field lines are far from each other, the field strength is weak. Is it clear, students? Okay, the most important property: two magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Is it clear? You have to drill this property into your minds. Okay, two magnetic field lines never intersect each other, because if they intersect, so they have a common point of intersection, and that one point will represents two directions, which is not possible. Is it clear, student? So this is why two field lines never intersect each other. Okay, I hope you understood this small concept of magnet and magnetic field lines